Hello and welcome to Aleeplanning. My name is Ashley. First, I want to thank you for checking out this goal planner. For the next 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you around the goal planner spreadsheet. So let's get started. We'll work from left to right. So on the left side, we have your reward options list. Under here, you will enter in the rewards you will receive once you complete your goal. Type it in the white text space here. And once you enter your reward option, there will appear in a drop-down box in the green section. So next, at the top of each goal is the title. Once you brainstorm your goals for this year, add in your label for each goal. You will do this by double-clicking your mouse inside of the text and type in the new text. So moving on to the next feature, each goal has the option to add in a picture. To change the photo, click on the image and hit delete. Ensure you are still clicked inside of the cell box. Go to the top and click Insert, Image, Image inside of a cell, and a box should populate. If you already have an image, then stay under the Upload section and click Browse. But if you don't have an image in mind, you can search by Google Images and select the image of your choice. Next, we have the steps to take. So here you can enter up to 6 steps for each goal. Once you complete a step, you can click the checkbox. This will make the progress bar meter appear. And so if you have a specific deadline goal date, you can add that information at the bottom of the goal. Click the date and select your date of choice. This will show you how many days you'll have left until you have to hit your goal. So that's it for this spreadsheet tour. I hope you enjoyed this goal planner. Have a great day.